I'm a medical anthropologist. I do behavioral research. I'm particularly interested in community-based participatory research, meaning I work with communities to develop and test interventions to try to increase cancer screening generally. And I'm mainly working with minority communities. The funding that American Cancer Society is giving me is going toward a multi-site effectiveness study on an intervention called Esperanza y Vida, which means hope and life, to try to increase breast and cervical cancer screening in diverse immigrant Latino populations. The disparities that we have in cancer, both screening, incidence, mortality rates, are very much tied to access to care as well as biological and social differences. So being able to craft and tailor messages and programs for various groups means that we're much more likely to be able to reach appropriate populations and actually reach them with a message that they can understand and deal with appropriately and change their behavior. People are going to change their behavior if we use a one-size-fits-all message. I really appreciate the fact that we're working with volunteer dollars. We are working with donations. Many of the funding, extramural funding that researchers apply for and get are tax dollars, and that's very important too, and it's very important to be good stewards of that. But it also is very meaningful to have money that is donated and by people that are so passionate about what they do. And I'm very passionate about what I do, and it's very important to me to make a difference. I'm an applied medical anthropologist, and I take research and theories and ideas and put it into the community with the community members together, and we develop the programs and the interventions together. And so they have great passion about what they're doing, and that's a very good fit. And the fact that the relayers are out there doing their team, getting their teams together, getting people to donate, makes a huge difference in so many people's lives, not just the investigators, but particularly those of us that are behavioral researchers and are working with either patients or community members. It makes a huge difference. Well, I just want to thank all of the Eastern Division, all of the volunteers and the staff of the Eastern Division for all of the work they do for Relay for Life and for supporting those of us that are doing research.